Good morning children. Children, in our last video we had done addition of capacity by grouping rules and we had completed exercise 10.3. Today we will start subtraction of units of capacity by grouping rules. Okay, so let's start children. Open your exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. Our first question is find the difference. Okay, look at question number A children. Here is liter and milliliter, two columns are there and already questions are given. So children, look at the question number A. Here you have to subtract and find the final answer. So let's start subtraction from digit at the ones place. So you have to subtract 6 minus 3, that is 3, 5 minus 4, that is 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 5 minus 2, that is 3, 1 minus 1, that is 0. And then we will write the final answer. So children, look at here. In copy, you will do like this. You will subtract and in the next line you write the final answer. Final answer is 3 liter 113 milliliter. So my final answer is 3 liter 113 milliliter. Okay. Now let's move to question number D. Now look at your book children. In D number question, you have to subtract 50 liter 5 milliliter and 45 liter 445 milliliter. So let's do subtraction here children. Start subtraction from digit at the ones place. So children, in D number question, you start subtraction. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. Now you have to subtract 4 from this 0. But this is not possible. So this 0 will borrow from this 0. This 0 will borrow from this 0. And this 0 will borrow finally from this 5. So 5 becomes, yes, 4. This 0 becomes 10. But now this 0 will borrow from this 10. No, 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. Again this 0 will borrow from this 10. 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. So now 10 minus 4 is your, yes, 6. Now 9 minus 4 is your 5. 9 minus 5 is your 4. And 4 minus 4 is your 0. So your final answer is 4 liter 560 milliliter. So write here the final answer. That is 4 liter 560 milliliter. Okay. Now children, moving to question number F. Here you have to subtract 26 liter 945 milliliter from 40 liter only. Okay. So in 40 liter there is no milliliter. So it's written 0, 0, 0. Now let's start subtraction children. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Again 0 will borrow from this 0, then this 0, then this 0 and then from 4. So children, here this 0 will borrow from this 0. Yes, but it's again 0 no. So finally from this 0, then from this 0 and now finally from this 4. So 4 becomes what? Yes, 3. Now this 0 becomes 10. But as you know, this 0 will borrow from this 10. So 10 becomes what? 9. This 0 becomes 10. Again it becomes 9. It becomes 10. Again it becomes 9 and it becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5 is your 5. 9 minus 4 is your 5. 9 minus 9 is your 0. 9 minus 6 is your 3. And 3 minus 2 is your 1. So finally your answer is 13 liter 55 milliliter. So write here final answer. That is 13 liter and 55 milliliter. Okay. Now moving to question number H. Here you have to subtract 20 liter 784 milliliter from 58 liter 130 milliliter. So let's start children. You have to subtract 4 from this 0. It's not possible. So 0 will borrow from this 3. So children, this 3 becomes what? 2. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 4 is your 6. Again You have to subtract 8 from this 2. It's not possible. 2 will borrow from this 1. 1 becomes 0. But this 2 becomes what? 12. Now 12 minus 8 is your 4. Okay. Now 0 minus 7 not possible. 0 will borrow from this 8. 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 7 is your 3. And 7 minus 0 is your 7. 5 minus 2 is your 3. So final answer is 37 liter 346 milliliter. So your final answer will be 37 liter 346 milliliter answer. Okay children, write your final answer. Now in question number 2, arrange in columns and subtract. So here you have to arrange numbers in columns and then you will do subtraction. Okay. As you know children, the bigger number we always write first, okay, and the smaller number write in the next line. So first of all you have to compare which is the bigger number. Here this side we have 15 liter 287 milliliter from 20 liter 598 milliliter. So you have to compare the larger unit, that is you have to compare liters. So here is 15 liter and here is 20 liter. Which is bigger? Yes, 20 liter is bigger, no? So you write this number first. No need to compare milliliter. You have to compare only liter. And as 20 liter is more, so you write this number first. And then in next line we will write these numbers. Okay? So let's do in copy children. Start subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 0 minus 5 not possible. Start borrowing. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is your 5. 1 minus 1 is your 0. Your final answer is 5 liter 311 milliliter. So write your answer 5 liter and 311 milliliter is your answer. I hope you are getting children. Now moving to question number B. Here children you have to subtract 646 ml from 9 liter. Okay. So here children you may see there is no liter means 0 liter. Okay. So now tell me 0 liter or 9 liter which is bigger? Yes, 9 liter is more na. So you write 9 liter first and then you will write this number. Okay. So make 2 columns liter and milliliter children. You may see I have written here liter and milliliter. So under liter you write here 9 liter. But there is no milliliter, 0, 0, 0. I hope you are getting. Now you have to write this 646 ml. So under milliliter column you will write 646. Okay. So under milliliter column you write 646. Again there is no liter, so 0 liter. Okay, are you getting this arrangement? Okay. Now children, start subtraction. This 0 will borrow from this 0. This 0 will borrow from this 0. Then finally from 9. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. Then again this 0 becomes 10. It becomes 9. Now again it becomes 10. Now 10 minus 6 is your 4. 9 minus 4 is your 5. 9 minus 6 is your 3. 8 minus 0 is your 8. Okay. So children, your final answer is 8 liter 354 milliliter. So write here final answer 8 liter 354 milliliter. So write here the final answer here. Okay. Now moving to question number E. Here you have to subtract 35 liter 40 ml from 50 liter. Again you compare children which is bigger number. Here it is 35 liter. Here it is 50 liter. So which is more, 35 liter or 50 liter? Yes, 50 liter na. So you write 50 liter first and then in next line you will write this. So let's do it children. You have to make 2 columns. Look at here, I have made here. So under liter you will write here 50 liter. But there is no milliliter na. So write here 3 zeros. Now next is your 35 liter 40 milliliter. So write here 35 liter and 40 milliliter. Again you put here one more 0. Start subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4 not possible. Start borrowing, you know it. It becomes 10. Then it becomes 10. Now it becomes 9. Becomes 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 4 is your 6. 9 minus 0 is your 9. 9 minus 5 is your 4. And 4 minus 3 is your 1. So your answer is 14 liter 960 milliliter. So write here the final answer. 14 liter 960 milliliter. Clear children? I hope you are getting. So always you have to compare which is more, and then that bigger number you will write in the first line. Under it you will write the smaller number. Okay children? Now moving to question number F. Here you have to subtract 29 liter 50 milliliter from 36 liter 640 milliliter. Now tell me which is more, 29 liter or 36 liter? Yes, 36 liter. So this you will write at first line. Okay, and then in the next line you will write this number. So let's do it. You have to make 2 columns. So I am making here columns. Look at here. Here one side liter, one side milliliter. So you write the bigger number first. 36 liter 640 milliliter. Then 29 liter and 50 milliliter. So 50 you write here and you put here 1 0. Now start subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 5 not possible. Start borrowing. It becomes 5. It becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is your, yes, 9. 5 minus 0 is your 5. Now 6 minus 9 not possible. Yes, start borrowing. Now 16 minus 9 will be 7. 2 minus 2 is your 0. So your final answer is 7 liter 590 milliliter. So write here the final answer, that is 7 liter 590 milliliter answer. Okay children? You have to write in copy in this way only. Now children, it's time for your home assignment. In exercise 10.4, question number 1 you will do in book, all questions. But question number 2 you will do in copy. So you have to make columns and then you have to do subtraction. Okay, so this question number 1 you do in book, but this question number 2 whole sums you will do in copy. Okay, I think children you are getting. You have to practice your subtraction again and again. So let's do it children. Now this video is over. So thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.